Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this super soft mauve natural everyday eye look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with a little bit of translucent powder. And for today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty New Nude palette. And this is one of my all-time favorite palettes. It has an enormous variety of mauve shades. So I'm going into that first shade that I just pointed at, and I'm just applying this into my crease in circular motions, going all the way from the outer corner all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm going to be going into another transition color brush with this shade right here called Secret, and I'm going to be applying this slightly above the first shade that we applied. I just felt like it needed a little something to kind of diffuse it and wash it out a little bit more. Next, I'm going into this angled brush right here, and I'm going into the shade called Tease, and I'm just applying a line of definition going all the way from the outer corner all the way towards the inner corner. And we're just going to start to slowly build some depth in the crease. So I'm going back into that Tease shade, and I picked up this fluffy transition color brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions, diffusing out that line. Next, I'm going into this flat brush and going back into this shade right here. We're just going to be packing this shade all over the lid. Then I'm going to be going into Love Bite and mixing it with this darker mauve shade. And we're going to be applying this on the very outer corner. And this is just going to really give the look a lot more dimension and just also add some more depth to this look. Then I'm just peeling off my tape, and for lashes today I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. If you guys ever want to check out our lash company, the link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm just applying my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara to my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went into my Pop Beauty Gilded Light Highlight, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting.